I'm Sasha from the Big Bakes, and today I'll show you how to make scones. So for your scones you will need flour with baking powder, milk, butter and sugar. And then I decided to make a cheese scone, so I have a bit of cheese. You will need just a big mixing bowl to mix it all together. And then rolling pin, parchment paper, cup to cut the shapes of your scones, and a little grater for cheese. And then a chopping board to roll your dough when it's ready. So I will start with adding butter into the flour. It already has baking powder inside, so I'll cut small pieces of butter in the flour. So you are done when you don't see the big lumps of butter and when all your flour is crumbly, like this. Then you can put it in a big bowl all together. You can add your sugar, mix it a little bit, and then we'll grate our cheese. And then we'll start add milk. We don't want to add all together, we'll add a little bit and then we'll see how much milk we actually need. Just put some flour on the surface. And then you can take your dough on here and then check if it's came together. It should not be sticky. Like this. So our dough is ready and we just need to roll it and then cut the shapes of our scones. Need to roll it 2 centimeters thick, roughly. And then you can use a cup or measuring cup or even knife. So here we have our scones. They baked 10 to 12 minutes with a temperature of 180 degrees. The time depends on the size. If you have bigger or smaller cup, you might have a little bit different baking time. And then when you break it, after you bake it, it should be all baked, well baked inside, like this. And now you can use your clotted cream or jam. Follow our social channels for more baking tips and recipes.